Hello, my name is Zheng from Zheng Learning Academy STEM Renewable Energy class. Today, I am going to present my STEM project, Light Solar Buffalo. Nowadays, demand for rice has been increased as population expands, but fewer and fewer people are willing to work in the paddy field. So we can use this light solar buffalo to help us. It uses solar panels to generate electricity to make the buffalo operate. What we need is just sunlight. Thus, we can save more energy and make full use of technology. We encourage everyone to use renewable energy for saving our Earth. Lastly, this is the STEM model I made to resolve the net power issue by using light solar buffalo. Thank you.